So here I am again with the new doodle. All you have to do is to do 8 dots outside, 1 dot inside, then there's 4 flowers kind of thing, which start from inside and the outside as well. Okay, after that start doing these curved lines. Make sure the lines should be curved, not straight. What else you can do is draw the line with the bigger gap and then add more lines to make it give the 3D effect. Okay, and what else? If you are following any of my tutorials and making any doodle, make sure you send me the picture of it or a video of it. I would be so happy to know. And once you're done with these lines, all you have to do is change the thin marker to thick marker, do all the dots again and do outline smoothly and do some shading with your pencil, and that's it. Your doodle is done. Have an amazing day, enjoy your life and do whatever you want to do. Bye.